You ready?
I'm ready. Go ahead.
Okay, so this is the construction of the
Dry them off.
You don't need to. You can take a paper towel or a towel and dry off your poached eggs. I don't actually think that's required because this guy does a really good job of getting the water off. Now, the water that I cooled the poached eggs in is really just lukewarm water because I don't want the eggs cold. You can put them into cold water and cook them a day ahead of time if you like. Julia Childs claims you can do that. And so there you go. Then we're going to put our hollandaise sauce on there. And there you go. Hollandaise sauce for two. Or eggs Benedict for two.